Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how I got all of the colors for the dandelion flower in Heartopia for the event. So I have all of it. I'm still waiting for the black dandelion to grow though, but I do have the rest. So it says here there's red, yellow, and white, which is 1 star. Orange, pink is 2 stars. Black and peach is 3 stars. Purple and blue, 4 stars. And the last one is the Selene Dandelion, which I already have, as you can see, which is this one over here. Um, Basically, this is just how I planted it. There's no specific pattern I used. I don't really think that even matters anymore. You just need to add the breeding powder, the rainbow breeding powder, or you can ask people to water your flowers to help you crossbreed. And to collect them, you are going to want to have to take them. You can't just put it in your inventory. It's not going to count as you having it, so I do have to pick the flowers. Let's do purple, let's do the blue one, and last but not least, the Selene one. Finally, 5 stars, and I just need the black one, which is still maturing. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!